Hey beauties, let's create a romantic minimal nail. First, I'm using a sponge tip to dab to soft spots of paint gel in different colors, just like this. I'm doing it twice for a stronger blend. Now I'm applying a matte top coat to smooth everything out and give us a soft base for line art. With a liner brush and black gel, I'm drawing a simple silhouette, bust, waist and hips. No face, just clean curves. Do you love minimal nail art? Hit the like button if you do. Now I'm drawing a red heart with cat eye gel right on the left side of the chest, using a magnet to give it that glow. Finally, sealing just the heart with glossy top coat to make it pop and down. Simple and powerful. If this design touched your heart, like and subscribe for more emotional nail art.